Let the most talented chefs cook for you. Ooh, fancy. Hi everyone, it's Shirley with Unboxing a Brand and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing cookunity. Cookunity is a meal delivery service. They deliver meals that are frozen, I believe, to your door, and you can either put it in the microwave or the oven to heat it up. I am a busy mom of one. I'm a first-time mom and I'm also working from home right now, so it's been a little bit hectic at home. We don't have a lot of time to cook lunches, especially during the weekday, so I wanted to give Cookunity a try because we've tried several different other companies before and they keep popping up in my Instagram account. So I placed an order with them. I don't remember how many meals are in here, but I will let you know. This box is really heavy because there's probably like ice packs in here. They have a couple different options when you place your order. You choose from either 4 meals a week or 6 meals a week or 8 meals a week or 12 meals a week or 16 meals a week. And the price of each meal goes down a little bit the more you order. I think I ordered the 6 meals per week. This is a little bit pricey compared to some of the other companies. For 6 meals, each meal is about $11.99. And then their tagline for Cookunity, I'm gonna try to pick this box up again, but it says, a chef collective. So apparently all of these meals are made by well-known chefs and private chefs from, I want to say around the world, maybe, or just in the United States, I'm not sure. But let's go ahead and dig in and take a look at the meals that I ordered. All right, so there's some stuff printed on the side of the box. Please recycle or reuse this box. Keep your Cookunity box fresh. Please refrigerate immediately. And then I see some packing material here. This looks like cotton, but I wonder what it is. It's like, is this recyclable? I don't know, but there's like plastic lining on both sides of this. Okay, so this is Nordic ice blocks made in the USA. This product is non-toxic and water soluble, not to be used on body or for medical injuries. To recycle, fill out pouch and cut corner, carefully pour contents into trash. Recycle anywhere number 4 plastic is accepted. To dispose, place entire pouch in trash. So for ice blocks that you can pour down the drain, we don't really cut the pouch and put it in the trash because you have to put it in another garbage bag, and that just like defeats the purpose of this like recycling option. So anyway, so that's Nordic ice. We have enough of these in our freezer already, so I'm not gonna keep these. Okay, sorry about that. Let's go on to the meals. The first meal that I ordered is crafted by Christy Flores, and this is the grilled spicy salmon bowl with mixed vegetables, rice, and Ponzu-Sriracha Aioli. And you have all the nutritional facts on the front as well. Whoa, this looks yummy. So this is what it looks like when you open it. The tray is not plastic. The tray is like made of some sort of cardboard material. There is a plastic film on here. Chef instructions, oven is not recommended in this recipe. Fast instructions, remove sleeve and peel corner of film to vent. Pour sauce on top, microwave for 2 minutes and remove film. Oh, okay, so these are made by chefs in Brooklyn. So this is crafted at Cookunity Incorporated in Brooklyn, New York. And on the back of the pack, there's some additional info here as well. On the back, it says, our standards, no GMOs, nothing artificial, humanely raised, organic when possible, cooked from scratch. Okay, great. And then it says the sleeve is recyclable. Okay. That was the first meal. The second meal is a shrimp pad thai crafted by Chef Leah Cohen of Pig and Cow. I'm not really very well versed in the chef world, so I apologize. Some of these might be really popular chefs, but I'm sorry, I don't really know who you are. But let's try your food. So the shrimp pad thai, I'll show you what this looks like. Looks like that. You know, this actually looks like legit food. I'm really curious to try it out. Maybe we'll have this for lunch today. Okay, let's see the chef instructions. Also, do not put in the oven. Okay, baby. I have Felix, my baby, in a swing over here, and he's been kind of making noises. Okay, so this one, they also recommend you heat up in a microwave. Okay, let's go a little faster because he's getting a little antsy. The next one is crafted by Irvin Paredes, and this is ginger and lemongrass braised short ribs with seasonal organic vegetables. Okay, so this one he's saying, that's what that looks like. This one he is saying that you can preheat the oven and put it in an oven, or you can also, place it in the microwave. Wow, look at that. So this is with seasonal organic vegetables. Oh, I just noticed that there's also a QR code on here. You don't actually have to download an app to use QR codes anymore. You just take your phone, pretending you're taking a picture of the QR code, and then like your phone will recognize it and pop up a little thing, and you can click on it and it'll take you to the website. This one we'll probably try to heat in the oven because I just feel like ribs probably should taste better after coming out of the oven. They do have a very short refrigeration life. If you can't eat it by the suggested date, you should probably put it in the freezer. Oh, actually, so these meals were not frozen. I thought they came frozen. Okay. Anyways, next one is a seared steak with Brussels sprouts and horseradish cream sauce. So this is crafted by Chris Rattel. Looks like this. Okay, this one you can also put in the oven or microwave if you like. So that's that one. Two more. Okay, so this is a short rib with herb mashed potato. This one you can also put in the oven or in the microwave, and this is crafted by James Grody. Wow, these meals look really nicely portioned. And then this last one is my mom's beef brisket with potatoes and carrots, and this is by Chris Rattel as well. Okay, so we got two meals by Chris Rattel, and this one you can also put in the oven or the microwave. These meals are really hearty, yeah? I hope they taste good. So I did want to mention that I chose a meal that was a bibimbap from, I think, Esther Choi. I got a text from cookunity the day before my box shipped. They said, "Hi, we wanted to give you a heads up that beef bibimbap is no longer available and that we substituted it with my mom's beef brisket based on your preferences." So this is a substitution that they sent in replacement for the beef bibimbap that I chose. I do remember that when I first log on with them, you can choose your like protein preferences, or you can choose vegetarian options as well. I'm not sure if they have like gluten-free and stuff, but take a look at their website. This is my first time ordering from them. I'm really curious to try it because, like I said, we have a very busy schedule and we don't always have time to cook, or we just don't want to spend time cooking. We'd rather be doing something else. Okay, so these are all of my meals that I got. Let's heat up some of these meals and taste it. Oh, and I just realized that all the pink sleeves are from the ranch. All the blue ones are from the sea. Cool. Okay, my plating skills are not doing these meals justice, but here's a closer look after they have been heated up. Eating cookunity is sort of like ordering takeout from your favorite restaurant, and you're simply heating it up. Having tried multiple meal delivery services, this is hands down one of the best, and I would highly recommend them. Especially so during these COVID times where the service industry may be struggling. This is such a wonderful way to show support. The pad thai that I ordered was one of the best pad thais I've ever had, and I've even been to Thailand. So I have yet to download their app, but what I like about their website is that users can rate the meals that they receive, giving you an insight before placing your order. Made up of more than 50 independent private chefs, there are over 150 meals to choose from every week. The only downside to cookunity is that they may not be available in all areas. At the time this video was made, they are primarily only available on the west and east coasts. Although if you have friends in these areas, this will make a great gift idea. If you use my link below, you can try cookunity for $50 off of your first order. So I had to pick him up because he was being a little bit fussy, but thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!